how to change Chat's theme on VK on Android or iOS phone. First, open VK and now click Hub, and after that click the story lines, top corner, and then click Settings. Then click Appearance and click Theme, and that's it. As you see here, you can change your Chat theme. Select any theme you want here, then just go back. It will be saved, and that's it. As you see, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.